Mexican Jack. Still looking.
Yeah.
Are you still looking? What are we looking for next book?
437 squidlets.
Oh yeah. Are we looking for 4-3? Oh yeah, that's it. So what are we doing on the bus, Jack?
Pranks.
You're gonna burst out coughing and
Yeah.
die.
So,
When's the next bus?
I don't know.
Focus camera. You're not gonna focus, are you? Focus.
Oh,
What time is it now? I'm not sure.
just that. My phone. Second. 8 minutes.
8 minutes? Well, well. See you on the bus. Okay, so we're going downstairs in a bit, Jack.
Yeah.
Are we actually going downstairs? Are you enjoying that slush?
Sorry.
I think he enjoys it. Don't you, Jack? Yeah. Oh, we're going downstairs in a minute, so bye.